XRP supply shock right now. If you hold XRP, I have breaking news for all of you, because this chart right here shows you all of the XRP that is left on exchanges around the world. And as you can tell, this green line right here, last year there was about 4 billion XRP on exchanges, but right now, today, there is only about 1.5 billion XRP left on exchanges. So in 1 year, the number of XRP on exchanges has gone down by more than 50%. And right now, we are seeing a massive supply shock happening for XRP. Destroy the like button, because this chart right here is massive, is huge, especially if you hold XRP. So show your support and join us, subscribe. And now I just bought over $1,000 worth of this cryptocurrency, GRP. GRP, like XRP, is a cryptocurrency that you definitely need to take a look into, because I know this market has been brutal, but even right now, there are still a lot of opportunities, especially if you own Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. Take a look into Grapecoin, GRP. Grapecoin is a very low market cap cryptocurrency right now that's gaining a lot of traction because they are doing a massive relaunch and they are integrating AI to build applications at scale. Every node user adds about 1,000 transactions per second. That means that the Grape network is infinitely scalable to over 100, 200, even 500 million transactions per second. Grape is going to integrate AI into its platform, allowing anyone to create applications just by typing a few prompts. That's it. No coding is needed. Anyone can build applications with Grapecoin very easily. The Grape testnet is now live. This is what it looks like. And coming soon is the Grapecoin AI Builder, where you can build AI applications, where you can easily build applications, AI applications from anywhere in the world, powered by Grapes Vine, one of the fastest layer 1 cryptocurrencies in the entire world. And there's even a country-level collaboration between Grape and a certain country that will be announced pretty soon. GRP has half the supply of Bitcoin. That's extremely rare. And that's why GRP, when it first launched, it was trading at around $1,000, even before all of these upgrades. So now the biggest catalyst is the relaunch. Historically speaking, relaunches can be explosive. Polygon Matic did a 70,000% gain after its rebrand. So GRP is currently sitting at $1, but can easily go to $10, $20 in the next few days and weeks with this massive rebrand. And GRP has a community sentiment of 96% positive ratings on CoinMarketCap, one of the highest in all of cryptocurrencies. So when you combine scale, AI, partnerships, low supply, and a relaunch catalyst, it's very clear why I'm very bullish on Grapecoin GRP and why you should also take a look into GRP. So we are about to make so much money with XRP right now. In the next few weeks and months, a lot of people think that the bull run is over, but the bull run is just getting started. And look at the chart of XRP right now. XRP is going to make new all-time highs very soon. A $4, a $5, a $10 XRP can happen very quickly. Because of stuff like this, the number of XRP on exchanges literally is down more than 50% in the past year alone. And this is extremely bullish for XRP. Now, with the XRP ETFs, here is another picture, a chart showing the number of XRP on exchanges, and in just under 60 days, as you can tell right here, the number of XRP on exchanges went from about 3.95 billion to roughly 2.6. That's it. In just 60 days. So about 1.35 billion XRP has been removed from exchanges in the past 2 months, because of the XRP ETFs. This right here is the XRP ETF tracker, and right now there's only 5 ETFs, and between those 5, they have already bought over $1 billion worth of XRP in the past few weeks, which is about 500 million XRP right now at today's prices. And there are so many other XRP ETFs that will be launched now in the next few days, weeks, and months. Like, for example, we already have Bitwise, Grayscale, Canary Capital. These XRP ETFs ETFs have already launched, but we have other XRP ETFs like 21 Shares, Invesco, Fidelity also, ARK Invest, BlackRock potentially. All of these companies will launch an XRP ETF very soon and will also be buying more XRP. Hundreds of millions, billions of XRP will be bought up by all of these companies right here, and that will add to the XRP supply shock. That will add fuel to the fire. The XRP supply shock is going to get even bigger. Now we're just waiting on the price of XRP. XRP is at $2, and I know a lot of you will be saying, well, why is the price of XRP still this low? Because right now there's a lot of fear by retail investors, normal people that have to pay for bills, for their mortgage, for their living expenses. Those people are selling while the ETFs, the smart money, the big money, they are buying. So that is why XRP is still cheap right now, because a lot of people are selling. Even though people are buying, there are still a lot of people selling. But the trend is our friend. And right now, there is a massive supply shock happening for XRP, and we're just waiting for the price of XRP to catch up. So look at this as a gift. Don't look at this as a bad thing. The XRP is only at $2. Look at it as a good thing that you can buy more XRP at these cheap, low prices before the next leg up. And this chart right here shows the daily inflows for the XRP ETFs. And as you can tell, ever since launching back in November, a few weeks ago, every single day, these XRP ETFs have bought tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of XRP. These XRP ETFs are buying every single day right now. And XRP recorded its biggest weekly inflows ever in history. Even as the broader market pulled back, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto crashed, XRP still saw its largest weekly inflows in history. Just last week, $300 million worth of buying pressure net inflows came for XRP. This is a big deal because their CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, literally posted on X just yesterday saying how in less than 4 weeks, the XRP ETF is now the fastest crypto spot ETF to reach $1 billion in assets under management since Ethereum. In the United States, this is a big deal because with over 40 crypto ETFs launched this year in the United States alone, a few points are obvious to me. Number one is the fact that crypto is now accessible to millions of people here in the United States with Vanguard. Vanguard is one of the largest assets managers in the world, right behind BlackRock. BlackRock is larger than Vanguard, but Vanguard is still huge. And the CEO of Ripple is saying how that is a big deal. That opens up the door for way more capital, a lot more money to flow into cryptocurrencies like XRP. So yes, the XRP ETFs have broken records, and big things are coming up with XRP. A massive supply shock and price shock is going to happen for XRP. You just have to be patient because right now, for example, if XRP had Bitcoin's market cap, one XRP would be worth almost $30, which is a 14x from today's prices. So XRP right now at $2 is very cheap. We can easily go to $5, $10, $20 by next year because a massive supply shock is happening right now. And I showed you proof in today's video. So destroy the like button and join and subscribe, especially if you own XRP. Big things are coming up. I love you all. I will see you very soon. Until next time, Crypto AI Man out.